हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अचीवर्स ऑलवेज विन चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने अलजेब्रा चैप्टर नंबर 1 लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल लेसन स्टार्ट किया। उसमें हमने प्रैक्टिस सेट नंबर 1.1 सॉल्व द साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट मेथड लर्न किया है। इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बाय यूजिंग डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड एंड दैट मेथड इज कॉल्ड क्रैमर्स रूल लर्न कर लेंगे। उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और जिन्होंने सब्सक्राइब किया है उनका धन्यवाद। तो शुरू करते हैं डिटर्मिनेंट मेथड। फर्स्ट वी नो द मीनिंग ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट। डिटर्मिनेंट, यहाँ पे हम डिटर्मिनेंट 2/2 ऑर्डर डिटर्मिनेंट देखने वाले। 2/2 means there are 2 rows and 2 columns are enclosed in 2 vertical lines is called the determinant. Suppose here 4 elements A, B, C, D. There are 4 elements or 4 numbers A, B, C and D are enclosed in 2 vertical lines. Here we draw 2 vertical lines and here we write number A, B. A, B are in column. C and D also in column. There are 2 columns and that 2 columns 4 element A, B, first column, second column, C, D. And there are 2 rows also which are, that is first row and second row. In first row which are the elements A, C and second row B, D. Hence order of that determinant 2/2. 2 rows and 2 columns. And determinant is denoted by capital letters A to Z. Here we denote the determinant by letter D. And then solve this determinant means find the value of that determinants. First we take multiplication of that 2 numbers AD and multiplication of that 2 numbers BC between which side? Minus. Multiplication of AD minus multiplication of BC, we get the value of the determinant. Yes. Use this formula to solve the examples. For example, here we have given a determinant 5, 3, 7, 2. Find the value of that determinant. Solution. First we write the given determinant. Which determinant we have given? 5, 3, 7, 2. Then how can you solve this determinant? By taking the cross multiplication. First multiplication of 5 and 2. 5 multiplied 2. Then minus sign. Multiplication of next 2 elements, which are the next two? 7 and 3. Then 5 2s are 10. 7 3s are 21. Find the subtraction. 21 is the biggest number. 21 minus 10, we get answer 11. But biggest number have which side? Minus sign. Means we get value of that determinant is minus 11. Then see another example. We take here fraction numbers. Second example, 5/2, 7/2, 3/2 and 4/3 are the numbers. Find the value of that determinant. Solution. Which determinant we have given? 5/2, 3/2, 7/2, 4/3. Then our first step. Multiplication of that 2 numbers is equal to 5/2 multiply 4/3. Bracket complete. Then which sign? Minus. Then multiplication of remaining 2 numbers. Which 2 numbers are remaining? 7/2 multiply 3/2 is equal to front multiplication. 5 4s are 20 upon 2 3s are 6 minus front multiplication 7 3s are 21 and 2 2s are 4 is equal to. Then both denominators are different. How can you make denominator equal? Here 6 multiplied by 4 we get answer 24 and 4 multiply 6 we get answer 24. 20 multiply 6 and 20 multiply 4 and 6 multiply 4. 21 multiply 6, 4 multiply 6. 20 4 जा 80, 6 4 जा 24, 21 6 जा 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 126, and 4 6 जा 24. Then here both denominators are same. Take common denominator, and 80 minus 126. How much subtraction? 126 minus 80. 6 minus 0, 6. 12 minus 8, 4. Upon 24. And 46 and 24, both numbers are divisible by 2. Let's divide both number by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. Means we get answer 23 upon 12. That is our final answer for this determinant. Yes. Then see, how can you derive the formula for determinant, that is called CRAMER'S rule, finding the values for the variable x and y. See. Here we have given two simultaneous equations. Let suppose a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 are two simultaneous equations we have given. Then first a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, write here equation number first, and another a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, write here equation number second. Then solve the simultaneous equation by using equating coefficients. Here first we equate the coefficient of y, and in first equation coefficient of y is b1 and second equation coefficient of y is b2. Then how can you equate the coefficients? Here is b1, here is b2, means we multiply equation 1 by b2 and second by b1, and middle sign is plus, both sides are same, then we take subtraction. Multiplying equation 1 by b2 and 2 by b1, and we take subtraction. Yes. Multiplying equation 1 by b2 and 2 by b1 and subtract. Yes, then say the multiplication. Multiply b2 to equation number 1. a1 into b2, a1 b2 x plus b1 b2y is equal to c1 b2. That is our new equation. Similarly, multiply second equation by b1. a2 b1x plus b1 b2y is equal to c2 b1. And then we take addition or subtraction? Subtraction. Right here subtraction sign, minus, plus change to minus, here is also minus. Then here plus sign, here minus sign, opposite side, same terms are cancelled. Then how much subtraction? a1 b2x minus a2 b1x. Similarly, that subtraction c1 b2 minus c2 b1. Then here x common, take outside. X in bracket a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to here c1 b2 minus c2 b1. Therefore, x, write this term in determinant form. What is our determinant form? A, B, C, D. Means we write AD minus BC. Here A, here D. Multiplication of that two numbers is AD. Here is multiplication of A1, B2. Means here A1 and here which number? B2. Similarly, A2 where? A2 here and B1 is here. We get the determinant form is equal to. Similarly, find this determinant form is equal to here C1 and here is B2. Multiplication of that two numbers. Same here C2 B1. Writing that terms in which form? Determinant form. Then calculate the value of x. Then x is equal to C1 C2 B1 B2. That determinant upon multiply divide A1 A2 B1 B2. Then denoted that values x is equal to, this value means dx and that value is considered D. In this way, we calculate which value? Y. We get Y is equal to, here C1, C2 are the constant numbers. Replace for which coefficients? X. Similarly, here we A1, A2 as it is. X coefficients as it is. We had which coefficients? Y coefficients, and replace that for constant. C1, C2. And denominator as it is A1, A2, B1, B2. Means we get here formula Y is equal to dy upon D. Use this method to find the value for X and Y. Then see the examples depend on that. Let's see first example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. For example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and another 4x minus 5y is equal to 3. Solve this example by using Cramer's rule. First we numbering the given equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, equation number first. 4x minus 5y is equal to 3, equation number second. Then we comparing that equation with comparing the given equations with comparing with which equations? A1x plus B1y is equal to C1, and another A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. If we comparing that two equations with that A1x plus B1y is equal to C1 and A2x plus B2y is equal to C2, then we get the values for A1, B1, C1. First equation with A1x plus B1y plus C1. Then second equation with A2x plus B2y plus is equal to C2. Then we get values for A2, B2 and C2. Then say the values for A1. A1 2, B1 3, constant number 7. For second equation, coefficient of x means A2 value 4, B coefficient minus 5, and constant term 3. We get the values for A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. Then here we use Cramer's rule. First we find the value for determinant. D. Formula for determinant: A1, A2, B1, B2 is equal to, put the values, A1, A2, 2, 4, B1, B2, 3, minus 5, yes. Then we take their cross multiplication, is equal to 2 multiply minus 5 minus 4 multiply 3. Then 2 5s are 10. Multiplication is minus 10. And 4 3s are 12. And minus take addition. 10 plus 12, 22. Biggest number sign. Minus 22. Value for D. Yes. Then we calculate value for dx. For dx determinant, had which elements? X coefficients. Yes. Then here which was C1, C2, B1, B2. Substitute the values. C1, C2, 7, 3. B1, B2, 3, minus 5. Solve this determinant. First multiplication of that two numbers. 7 multiply minus 5 minus 3 multiply 3. Then 7 5s are 35. Minus 3 3s are 9. And minus 35 minus 9, take here addition. We get addition minus 44. Value for dx. Similarly, we calculate value for dy. Use the formula. Determinant. Here A1, A2. And had which elements in determinant? B. And replace C1, C2. For B1 and B2 is equal to A1, A2, 2, 4. C1, C2, 7, 3. Take cross multiplication. 2 multiply 3 minus 4 multiply 7. 2 3s are 6. 7 4s are 28. Then subtraction, 28 minus 6 minus 22. Value for dy. We get value d, dx, dy. Then we find the value for x and y. Again we use the formula. X is equal to dx upon d. Then dx how much? Minus 44. And d minus 22. And minus minus division plus 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are. X is equal to 2. Then find the value for y. Y is equal to dy upon d. dy minus 22 and value of d is also minus 22. Minus minus division plus 22 ones are. Y is equal to 1. We get x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Right solution, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. That is our final answer. And you verify our answer. We substitute that two values in your original equation. Any one equation we substitute that values. Substitute x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 in equation number first. 2 multiply x2, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 multiply y is equal to 1, 3 1s are 3. 4 plus 3, we get answer 7. RH is also 7. Hence our answer is correct.